Yes, good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to complete our last part of the poem Keeping Quiet. Okay, we have read two stanzas already, and now we are starting stanza third. In the third stanza, Neruda says that in this moment of silence, all warfare would be stopped and the world will stop producing badly gases. They are so deadly, bullets and bombs. Means we have to stop them. He stressed that wars with fire means weapons, wars wherein poisonous gases are used and green wars must be stopped. These three things must be stopped in any case, as there is widespread destruction and loss of innocent lives. The poet wants man to cleanse himself physically and mentally, wear clean clothes and walk in the shade with his brothers, doing nothing, means in peaceful atmosphere. Thus, at this time, all killings and damage would cease. अर्थात इस स्टेंजा में कवि हमसे कहता है कि हमें विध्वंसात्मक चीज़ों को बंद करना होगा। ये जो जहरीली गैसें हैं, बॉम्ब्स है और वेपन्स है, इन सब को कुछ समय के लिए बंद करना होगा। However, the poet does not want his readers to confuse keeping quiet and still with total inactivity. He does not advocate total inactivity. He simply advises deep destruction and asks us not to indulge in activities that are mindless and that might lead to the destruction of the ecosystem, जो हमारे पारिस्थितिकीय संतुलन को नष्ट करती है। उन सब चीज़ों को हमें रोकना होगा। Man is so focused on advancements and his own progress at time more forward that he has forgotten about the consequences of his actions. Means the man has forgotten each thing. Often man does not understand himself, and this results in profound depression which tempts him to take his own life. Means we are ourselves responsible for the destruction of the life. The poet wants man to stop for a moment and listen to his inner voice. He says that stillness is required in order to understand each other and to maintain the balance that should exist between man and nature. हमें इस संतुलन को बनाना होगा जो आदमी और प्रकृति के बीच में है। ये जो पारिस्थितिकीय संतुलन है, इसको हमें बनाना होगा। The earth teaches a valuable lesson through the apparent stillness of the winter season when the surface is bare and still. In the winter season, you can see the surface is bare, means there is not any kind of thing on the surface at that time. As like this, we have to be still. But in the soil, underneath, the roots of a new plant are spreading. The earth natures and protects this new life, waiting for the right time. Spring means they are waiting for the spring, when the new plant will bloom and bloom. In place of it, there will be new plants. In the last two lines, the poet is ready to live as he has now convinced his readers the necessity of introspection and think about what they are doing. Means what they are doing. Thus he tells them to count to 12 and he would go. Yes. In this poem, the poet tells us that we must stop all the things for a moment. In the things we can take green words, means the words which is fought by the poisonous gases, atom bombs, because it is the cause of destruction. So, the title of the poem suggests that the poet wants to emphasize the importance of silence and self-reflection. The poet tells us, the reader, that it is necessary to introspect so that we realize that we must stop the killing, the destruction and all the harm that we are creating. जो भी नुकसान हम पैदा कर रहे हैं उनको हमें रोकना होगा. He encourages his readers to live together in peace and harmony, counting up to 12 and keeping still create an exotic moment, wonderful moment, surprising. It is surprising of togetherness, and we will give us time for introspection. It will allow us time to delve into our actions. We will stop harming ourselves and others, human life as well as the environment. It will give us an opportunity to understand each other and save ourselves from death. इससे हम इस मृत्यु के आघात से बच सकते हैं. In this way, we will be in harmony with nature. The sadness in the poem, the sadness that the poet refers to in the poem are the actions that man undertakes without giving them a second thought, as man does not understand himself. Man does not understand himself. He mindlessly kills, destructs and causes harm to himself. आदमी स्वयं अपने पतन का कारण बन रहा है, अपने सामने स्वयं मुसीबतें खड़ी कर रहा है. So those around him and to the environment, they are harmful. Yes. In the whole poem, the poet is suggesting us that we have to stop every destructive things. In the destructive things we have read already, as poisonous gases, words, green words. So, to get peace and to save ourselves, we have to stop for some time. Yes, we have completed this poem, and now you will complete the question answers of this poem. ओके, थैंक यू।